శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖమహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshit Maharaju has reached Prabhasa Tirtham, which is on the banks of Saraswati river. There Parikshit Narendra got to see one person who is looking like a king, Dadrusen Rupalanchanam. He is hitting, kicking cow and bull and torturing cow and bull. Parikshit has seen that. Vrusham Mrunaladhavalam, that bull is in a white color. Because that person is hitting that Vrushabham bull, that is why Vrushabham Mehantam, Vrushabham is urinating, and that person is kicking the cow, which can give milk and ghee for all kind of righteous Vedic activities. To such that cow, this person is kicking and also hitting on the legs of the cow. Vivatsam Ashruvadanam, as and how if the cow loses the calf, how that cow cries, like that cow is crying. Then cow also craving for some grass. Parikshittu is observing everything. Parikshittu is in his chariot Kartasvara Parichadam Radhamarudha. He is sitting in his chariot, which is a golden chariot. That now Parikshittu is asking this person Megha Gambhiraya Vacha, with a big screaming sound. Parikshittu asking this person, Kastvam, who are you? Why are you hitting and kicking Vrushabham and cow? If I look at you, you are looking like Naradevopi Veshena. You are looking like a king, but the things that you are doing is not matching to your form. Just because Yastvam Krishne Gate Duram Saha Gandiva Dhanvana, just because Krishna and Arjuna, both of them are not anymore on this earth, is that the reason you are trying to do all these things that which you should not be doing and nobody is supposed to be doing? Like this, Parikshittu is asking that person. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.